Hi, I am going to present my critical opinion about the article Interdisciplinarity, a Challenge for a Higher Education and the Research, written by Yesid Escobar Carvajal.
In my opinion, I believe that the author was correct in stating that the education system provided by higher education require operational change and restructuring of the study plans, just as the research methods that are currently used need new approach and the new application, that is to need to use interdisciplinarity as a tool that provides a general overview of different methodologies, concepts, knowledge, teachings, methods, competencies, among others. It is necessary for society to solve all the problems that arise over time, even when these are complex and affect the welfare or quality of life of the whole society. For this reason, we must emphasize and redirect the higher education to guarantee the effective exercise of all its functions. I also believe that if you want to change the learning methodologies and the pedagogical techniques used by higher education, it requires a hard work that in turn must be coordinated, managed, and supervised in its entirety science. Change the mentality and ways of work that had been carried out is difficult, complex, but not impossible. In addition, teamwork, respect, tolerance, patience, critical thinking, acceptance, and sensitivity must be encouraged at all times. I believe that applying interdisciplinarity in higher education should be a priority to a certain extent. That is, higher education should not stay in this term, but rather should be direct and managed to apply transdisciplinarity. Science, this concept is more robust, complete, and structured, which would facilitate flexible, specialized, and coherent responses to all the questions that may arise at the time of conducting an investigation. To finish, I would like to add, in recent years, global problems have increased, as well as the need to turn them into objects of study to address them in higher education, focus them from one or several disciplines at the same time, and finally give an optimal solution feasible or appropriate.